y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my front porch decorate with me. I was going to do my front porch and my screen porch in one video, but my lights for my screen porch gave out on me. I've probably had these lights for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, and it's the same thing that happened with my garland for my mantle. The lights just quit working. I tried to replace some of them and fix the fuse and the plug. Nothing worked. So I am having to wait on the lights for my screen porch to get here, but I wanted to go ahead and get a video up for you guys. So I'm just going to do my front porch for now, and then next Tuesday will be my screen porch. So be on the lookout for that. I love sitting out on my screen porch, even in the winter. It's so cozy. So I am going to show you how I decorated my front porch. It's going to be like a little clean with me and decorate with me, and then I'll show you at the end the full tour. It's not huge. I mean, I do have a pretty good sized front porch, but there's not a ton out here because I didn't want to overdo it. And my husband also has to string some lights on our columns, so that's not done yet, but the main theme for my Christmas front porch is done, and I wanted to show it to you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you are new, I'm Callie. Welcome to my channel. I would love to have you stick around and subscribe. If you like home decor, cleaning, anything that makes a house a home is what my channel is all about, and I would absolutely love to have you. So definitely click that subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing that I wanted to do was leaf blow my front porch. I just wanted to get all the dirt and the leaves off of the porch and also off of my fall decorations. I wanted to get rid of any cobwebs or leaves or any kind of dust that might have accumulated on them before I put them into their bin to go down to the basement. And it was really funny when I was trying to get the leaf blower going. My husband came outside because he didn't think that I knew how to start it, but he's given me a few lessons on it, and so I know how to do it by this point. It was just really funny watching him watch me get it going because he really didn't think I could do it, but I proved that I have been listening and I know what's up and I knew how to do it. So that was really fun for me to like prove to him that I knew. So then I'm just going to get all of my fall decor and put it into a bin to go down to the basement. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running up. So then I went down to our basement and I brought up all of our Christmas stuff for my front porch, and I'm just going to work on putting everything that I have for outdoor Christmas out on my front porch. And it was really fun for me because my little girl Nola decided she wanted to quit riding her bike and come up here and help me. So she's going to help me put some of these pillows out, and then we're going to work on the other side of our porch as well. Keeping people pleased, but this is my favorite holiday. So the last thing of fall that I needed to get rid of were these mums. Again, I killed the mums this year. Every year it happens. No matter how much I water them, fertilize them, how much sun they get, they always die. I need to find some fake ones for next year. But then we're just going to work on putting up the rest of our Christmas decorations. So the wreath and the stuff directly in front of the front door. Nola was really excited to help me, and it was just really fun to work outside with her because she likes to decorate, and then she'll go out and play and come back, and it's just a really fun time outside. It's not super cold here in North Carolina yet. It's like in the mid-50s, so it's just really nice outdoor weather, and we had a really good time out here just decorating the front porch. I also went ahead and washed these cushions to my rocking chair. These rocking chairs are from Walmart, and I love that I can take these cushions off and just throw them in the washing machine. It just makes keeping them clean super simple. So I had done that earlier in the day, and I'm just putting the covers back on, and then we're going to put some pillows in these rocking chairs and kind of decorate this area a little bit. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year
It's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles.
So around this time, my 7-month-old Vera was awake from her nap, and so I went and got her and just bundled her up and put her in the swing while I was finishing up with my decorating out here on the porch. That's just the kind of nature of being a mom. You just kind of have to work around their schedule and hope that they will be entertained long enough to let you finish your decorating. So I am going to just finish up out here, and I'm so thankful that Nola likes to help me decorate. It's just so much fun doing this with her, and hopefully Vera will one day be excited about this as well. So we're just going to go ahead and finish up decorating this little area here, and then I am going to show you guys how I decorated my porch and just show you where everything is from.
The tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love.
Alright, so over on this side, I just have a few little things. This Be Merry sign is the back of my fall sign, so I just flipped it around, and I got that from an Etsy shop. I can't remember the name of it. I'll have to link it down below. And then that little snowman is from Kirkland's. And then those 2 cones with the snow on them are from At Home. So that's what that side looks like. And then down below here, I just have my little bottom rug that I got this year at Kirkland's. That top rug is from Target, I believe, a few years ago. And then this is what my front door looks like. This wreath is from Hobby Lobby from last year or the year before, I can't remember. And then I just stuck a red bow on it. And then if you saw my haul that I did a few weeks ago, I bought this wreath embellishment that just says "Glory to the Newborn King" on it, and I think that that really just ties my wreath together. And then down here on this other side, I just have this Santa mailbox that I got from Kirkland's a few years ago. That little present is actually like a gift card holder from the Dollar Tree. And then this wagon is my mother-in-law's that she lets me use for fall and Christmas. And so that's what I have going on here at my front door. Over on this side, we just have some wood for our wood stove, and then I just have these 2 Noel pillows. They're from Hobby Lobby from last year, and then I just have a little red and green present up on this bistro table. This is from Kirkland's. It's probably 5 years old now. So then over here on this side of my porch, I just have these 2 chairs, and they are from Walmart. And the pillows are from Hobby Lobby. And then these presents are just the other 2 from the one that's on the bistro table. They came in a set of 3. So I just put 2 over here and then 1 on the bistro table. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Maybe you got some inspiration for your own front porch. That is the whole goal, is to just learn from each other and to get inspiration. And I hope you got some from my front porch. Also, don't forget, I will have my screen porch video up for you guys next Tuesday, so be on the lookout for that. Also, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.